Okay, very easy, dead easy, very dead easy. Go to Notepad, user underscore names, yes or no? User underscore name is equal to bracket kk 800. Sir, is there any comma? No, not required. KK 801, KK 802, or KK 803. Yes. 803. Okay, right. Afterwards, friends, afterwards, how can I access the data? Echo dollar symbol, curly braces,
Curly
user
braces,
underscore
underscore
names,
name,
brackets,
yes, bracket, 0, yes, that's all
index.
over 0, like this. Okay, it's very clear. Yes. So now just I can write something called 1 also. 1. Okay, 2. Yes. I can write 3 also. 3. Yes, 3. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the 0, 1, 2, 3, friends? Index value. What is 0, 1, 3? Index value. That's all. Suppose if I write, this is what declaration of the array. This is the declaration of the array. First statement is declaring the array. Okay, that's the next four statement is, friends. Next four statements.
printing,
Printing, displaying an array elements, printing an array elements. For that, we are using echo. Afterwards, dollar. What is the dollar symbol purpose? To access
to
the
access the data.
value from the variable. That's all. What is the purpose of 0? Index number. In which
Index
value
number.
I need to take? 0. Index number. Based on the index number, I can go to this place and I can take the value. That's all. Okay. Now, so can I write this program easily? Yes. Go to this place. Yes. Uh, sudo -i. Yes. Okay. Yes. Go ahead, friends. How can I write, friends? ls. How many scripts? 17. Okay. Now we go 18. Nano script 18.sh. Press enter button. Okay. Yes, friends. Now go ahead. How can I write the script?
Bin bash,
Bin bash. Okay. Afterwards, user underscore names.
names
Okay. Is equal to
equal to
bracket.
brackets,
Yes, bracket. Afterwards, something called KK 800. Right. 800. Afterwards,
yes,
KK 801,
80,
KK 802, KK 803.
803.
Right. So, okay, right. Now, afterwards, what should I write, friends?
echo,
Echo. Yes. Go ahead. Please
echo
observe
dollar,
carefully. Okay. Echo,
Dollar,
echo
dollar,
curly
curly
braces,
brace,
user
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 underscore
underscore
name,
underscore name,
name. Right.
bracket,
square
0,
bracket, 0.
0.
0,
Yes,
Close,
that's all.
curly braces,
Power. Afterwards, echo,
echo dollar,
dollar,
curly
again,
braces,
user
user underscore
underscore
names,
names, again 1.
bracket 1,
Yes. Afterwards, yes, friends. Right. Okay. Afterwards, echo,
echo dollar,
dollar,
curly braces, user underscore names,
hmm,
bracket 2,
2. Yes. Bracket 2. Right.
curly braces,
Echo,
echo dollar, curly braces, user underscore names, bracket 3,
3. Yes.
curly
Right.
braces close.
Yes. Right. Okay. Now, okay. So this is what? 4 elements. Okay. So I'm declaring and I'm printing the values inside my array. That's all. Okay. Control O, press enter button, Control X. Okay. Now, how can I execute this one, friends? SHSC
script
or
18.8.
RIPT 18.sh. Right. 18.sh. Press enter button. Okay. KK 801 80. 2, 3, yes, 4 values printed. Excellent. Excellent, friends. Friends, suppose if I execute another model, what is the another model, friends? Dot sc
Shortcut.
ript 18.sh, press enter button. It is asking you permission. That's all. This is our shortcut method. Full path method is what? Forward slash
For
root
root
script
18 dot.
18.sh. This is what full path. Sir, why we are using root? Because root is not a username. This is a folder name. Inside this folder, my script file is available. That's why I am specifying root folder. Okay, root is a folder name. But what about forward slash? Forward slash is also a folder name. That's what. Okay, I'm using script 18.sh. Press enter button. Again, it is asking you permission. Now, now we go with something called script